So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arshwal, associate with Dialyzy. Welcome to Dialyzy. Today in this video I'm gonna discuss with you basically in different parts we're gonna cover up formation of a contract. So what is a contract of sale under the specific goods act? So let's start the discussion without any delay. So section 4 of the act basically discusses sales and the agreement to sell. The term contract of sale is generic in nature. It tends to include both agreement to sell and sell. It was formerly called bargain and sale. Subsection 3 of section 4 defines the sale and the agreement to sell. The contract of sale is known as a sale when the property in the products is transferred from the seller to the buyer under it, thereby transferring ownership from the seller to the buyer. A sale can also be called in executed contract of sale. However, a contract is referred as an agreement to sell when the transfer of property in the goods is supposed to happen at a future date or is dependent on the fulfillment of a subsequent condition. An agreement to sell may also be called an executory contract of sale. It was held in the state of Uttaranchal versus Khurana Brothers of 2011 that when the time elapses or the condition gets fulfilled at that time, an agreement to sell becomes a sale. So that's all about our discussion. I hope you're pretty much clear what is a contract of sale. See you on the next video with some more information.